Hello everybody, Revit here with more Revit training. Today we're going to create a chair family. So you get this set up here. This is what we normally would go through. We're going to go at the depth and the length here of these parameters. And we'll look at them in our type properties. So also we have a height parameter here. So that's what we're going to go and look at for the moment. So let's go look at the height in our front elevation. So there's our front. Now here, we need to add a few more parameters. So in this elevation, I'm going to go and add two more parameters for the seat. So I'm going to just go right here, create similar. This will be my seat. And this will be my arm height here. So what I'll do here, I'll just pull this over to there and to there, and then I want to give these parameters. So from here to here, that'll be my seat, and this will be my arm height. And then I'll select it and add a label here. And we'll call this arm height. And hit OK. And this one will be our seat height. We'll say OK there. Okay, now, so let's fix these parameters here as well, or let's go into our reference level again, see where we are here. Okay. Now, what we want to do now is we want to create in the front view here, we want to add another reference plane here for these arms. So I'm going to create similar again. We're going to reference plane here and another one here. Okay, now what we want to do here, we want to select, we want to hit the modify button, and then we want to select this reference in the control button held down. That's where you see the little cross on the click there and there. And then in my properties for those selected reference files, I want to select here not a reference, just for those, and click apply. Okay, now here I want to add parameters here as well. So here I want to have arm width for here and here. Just place that there and there and there. Okay, now what we can do here, we can also use this control button again, hit the modify, get out of the command and select this one, and this one hit control, and then we can go and add a label, and this is going to be arm width. And I'm going to say OK there. And so we got all our arm width. So now if we look at our type properties, we have all these parameters. So with the seat height, let's make that 18 inches. That's about what it would be, I think. We'll apply the arm width. Let's go with 4 inches. So everything seems to be working here. Okay, so now I'm going to go hit OK here, and then I'm going to go back into the reference level. Okay, so now we need to add a back here. So I'm going to go in here, right click, create similar, and we'll go right from there to there. Uh-oh, sorry. Okay, now we want to make another parameter here. We'll call this one, go to modify, select it. We'll call this one back width. And we'll say, oop, it's not how I spell it. We'll say OK here. And we'll make that, let's give it even 5 inches. Or we can make it whatever we want. Thank goodness. So apply. So the idea with this family is to make multiple types of families here. So I'm going to go now, we can start adding our geometry here. So I'm going to go into my front view. Everything looks good here. And I'm going to my reference level. So now here, we want to start adding our geometry. So I'm going to go and add a extrusion here. But I'm going to use the sweep command here this time. And I'm going to do a pick line first. Okay, 1 second here. I'm going to cancel that out. Yes. What I want to do here, I want to do a sweep. And I want to use the sketch path. And I want to use the pick line. And I want to select this line right here. And then I want to align this point to this reference plane, right? Uh-oh, nope. You always want to do the reference point first, where you're going. So I'm going to go align that point to there. And then that point to there. And now I want to go and finish this sketch off. And then it's asking me to edit the profile by sketch. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do this in the left view. So I'm going to open this view up here. And then I'm going to use the, just use this rectangle here. And I'm going to do a rectangle shape like this. But then I want to use the align tool and make sure, okay, I want to align to these reference planes. To that one, this one to this one. So everything has to be to the reference plane. So I'm going to finish that off. Okay, and finish it. So now we'll go back into our reference level here. And so there we have the back. Now we want to go and do the arms here. So I'm going to do this the same method here as before. We're going to go extrusion and we're going to go with a shape. The whole idea is the shape is we want to align to the reference planes. Very important for that to happen. There. As you can see, it automatically locks. And then I want to have this one to the, uh-oh, yeah, and they're good. So I want to finish that one. Okay, now we want to go with this guy over here. Same thing, create extrusion. Just do shape here. And then I'm going to align this one. Always where you're going first. That's what. So I want to align again. There. Okay, and then we're going to finish this. Oh, one thing wrong here. I want to fix that. That's not right. So if that happens, you can, I think I can do this. I'm going to try this. Okay, so I'm going to tab to that. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go and align this now. So just tab to the right piece. I want to move that constraint because it is locked. Okay, so it's good now. And now let's go to the front view and finish this guy off. Let's see what's happening in our front. Okay, there's our arm, so the arm height has to be aligned here, so we'll go in here and align this guy to that one. There's our arms. And then we'll need our seat. So we'll grid our seat from our reference level again. And the same thing here. I want to do a shape. And I want to pick up these reference planes. So here, align these guys here. So I'm going to go that guy to there. This one to here. This one to there. And that one to there. And then we'll hit our finish. Okay, let's go look at it happening in our front view now. So we will align this to this. Align the seat to that point, and let's go see what we got in our 3D view now. Okay, so there's our chair. Now let's go and look at our parameters now. And let's flex this guy and see if it works. So we've got, let's say our seat depth, our seat height. Let's make this, let's say 10. Actually, yeah, let's see what happens here. We say 4 or 3. Apply. Okay, so that works. Let's bring that down to 2 feet, I guess. Okay, so we want to go some extremes to make sure everything works, because we're going to do something later with this. Let's see how long, let's say our length, let's say 25 feet. That's really pushing the limits. And apparently we can push the limits here because it's still together. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go back into our properties and I'm going to make this, say 6 feet. So everything seems to be working okay. This won't break. So now a few other things we want to do before we wrap this one up. We want to join this geometry and come back later and do some more things with this. We want to just select the join command and just do this and this. Just join those elements together. Join geometry here. So I will select this and this. And that'll get the little wrinkle out of there. And then I'm going to join this side. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. So this is how you create a chair, a basic chair, and we have all these different parameters and they all seem to work. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. We may add some material and other elements to this family. So save your family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.